Namaste to one and all. In today's Carnatic basic lesson teaching video, I am going to teach Dhatu Varisha lesson number 2. In the previous video, I have taught Dhatu Varisha 1. I hope all of you have listened to it, and you should practice each and every lesson in 4 speeds. Okay? In Dhatu Varisha, it's very easy to practice in 4 speeds because it comes like Sarali Varisha only. For first kala, it is 1 note in 1 beat. For second speed, it is 2 notes in 1 beat. And for third speed, it is 4 notes in 1 beat. And for fourth speed, it is 8 notes in 1 beat. So you have to sing in fourth speed and third speed especially. You have to sing the lesson. You have to repeat the lesson like the last line of the Dhatu Varisha and the Thala meets together. That time it means the lesson is finished. Otherwise you have to continue the lesson. So let's move on to the Dhatu Varisha lesson number 2. Before that, Maya Malagalas Arohana and Avarohana. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. In today's lesson, the pattern is like sa, ma, ga, ma, ri, ga, sa, ri, sa, ga, ri, ga, sa, ri, ga, ma. Okay. So, how to say it mathematically? Sa. What is the number of sa? It's 1. Then sa, ma. Ma is which note? Sa, ri, ga, ma. The place of ma is 4. So, fourth note is ma. So, the number is sa, ma means 1, 4. Ga, ma. That is 3. Ga is third note, right? Sa, ri, ga. Ga comes at third place. So, 1, 4, 3, 4. Sa, ma, ga, ma. Then ri, ga, sa, ri. Ri is the second note. Ga is the third. Sa first. Ri again second. So, second or 2, 3, 1, 2. So, the pattern of the first line is 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then the second line, sa, ga, ri, ga. Sa 1, ga 3, ri 2, again ga 3. 1, 3, 2, 3. Sa, ri, ga, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. In some textbooks, there are 6 Dhatu Varishas. So, if we know the swaras properly, we can make our own varishas. It's not easy for me to teach all the Dhatu Varishas, include all the varishas in these videos. So, I am teaching only 2. And I will be doing or giving you the notation of the or the swaras of those 4 Dhatu Varishas in my video. First 2 lines of all the 4 varishas. So, from that 2 lines, you have to make your own patterns properly and sing and practice. Okay. Now you have developed a lot. You have learned Sarali Varisha, Janta Varisha, Mantrasthayi, Madhyasthayi, Tarasthayi, Dhatu, etc. Right? So, now you can make your own varishas. So, if anybody is doing like that, they can put it in my comment box, those varishas which you have made. I am encouraging you to do more like that. So, it will help you in future for singing Kalpana Swaras. The great speciality of Indian classical music is Manodharma Sangeeta. So, the Kalpana Swara singing, or that means the extemporization, the swaras which we sing from our imagination is called as Kalpana Swara. So if you want to develop that imagination, you have to practice all these swaras in all 4 speeds and in different ragas. So all are welcome to do more varishas at home and sit and practice so that you can easily sing Kalpana Swaras. This is for beginners and also for those who are listening to this video I am telling. So let's move on to our second Dhatu Varisha. Sa ma ga ma re ga sa re sa ga re ga sa re ga ma re pa ma pa ga ma re ga re ma ga ma re ga ma pa ga dha pa dha ma pa ga ma ga pa ma pa ga ma pa dha ma ni dha ni pa dha ma pa ma dha pa dha ma pa dha ni pa sa ni sa dha ni pa dha pa ni dha ni pa dha ni sa pa dha pa ni dha sa ni sa dha ni dha sa ni dha pa ni ma pa ma dha pa ni dha ni pa dha pa ni dha pa ma dha ga ma ga pa ma dha pa dha ma pa ma dha pa ma ga pa re ga re ma ga pa ma pa ga ma ga pa ma ga re ma sa re sa ga re ma ga ma re ga re ma ga re sa. Once again I am singing the second Dhatu Varisha. Sa ma ga ma re ga ri sa ga re ga sa ri ga ma ri pa ma pa ga ma ri ga ri ma ga ma ri ga ma pa ga dha pa dha ma pa ga ma ga pa ma pa ga ma pa dha ma ni dha ni pa dha ma pa ma dha pa dha ma pa dha ni pa sa ni sa dha ni pa dha pa ni dha ni pa dha ni sa sa pa dha pa ni dha sa ni sa dha ni dha sa ni dha pa ni ma pa ma dha pa ni dha ni pa dha pa ni dha pa ma dha ga ma ga pa ma dha pa dha ma pa ma dha pa ma ga pa ri ga ri ma ga pa ma pa ga ma ga pa ma ga ri ma sa ri sa ga ri ma ga ma ri ga ri ma ga ri sa. I hope all of you have understood the second Dhatu Varisha clearly. Please keep the note of all the videos or the lessons which I have given, and please do accordingly what I am telling. It will help you to do all the swaras properly. Mark the numbers or the mathematical way of singing among the above the notes which I have given. Samagama, Rigasari, 1, 4, 3, 4, like that you have to note it down and practice. So in the next video we will meet with a new lesson. Till then,